Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit this template. This template is the 01 circular text. In the editor, okay, in the Bricks editor, you can see the text, okay. You need to go to the page to see the text, okay. For this, you can go to the circle wrapper. Okay, this is only one container or one section for to show the different versions of circle. And this is a template. You can go to the circle wrapper and you can see the circle text. Click on the circle text and you can go to the class. Click on the class, style, and the CSS. Okay, go to the CSS code, and this is the color text. Okay, this field you need to change this color to change the color text. For example, um, red. Okay, reload this, and now you can see that the text, okay, the color text changed. This is for the text. You can change the speed of animation. Okay, this is the animation, the circle, rotate. You can change the speed to edit the image or icon. You can go to the icon. Okay, example, content, click on the class circle icon, and you can change the color and you can change the icon. You can upload your icon. Okay, and in this template you can go to the image, click on the class, and you can see this is the image. You can change the image. You can go to the style, layout, and you can change the width and the height for the image. Okay, you only need to change this, and this is the border radius. Okay, and you don't need those. This is only for transform. Okay, this is only to position absolute and center the image. Okay, for this version you can go to the circle text. Okay, remember, on circle text click on the class, and you can go to the CSS and you can change the fill. Okay, and this is the color text. In this case you can go to the circle wrapper. Okay, and in this click, okay, circle wrapper, click on the class. You can go to the CSS and you can edit this border background. Okay, this is the border solid. Okay, this is the color, and this is the color background for this version. Okay, you can change this for example, okay, to black, reload, and now you can see that this background circle changed the background, but in this case it's only one border solid. You can change this value. Okay, you can change the width. Okay, and if you need to change the the text, okay, go to the text, click on the class. You can change the font size. Okay, you can change the content. For example, you can change this for this is the video test. Okay, you can change, save, reload, and now you can see that this text change. And for example, you can add more text, okay? You can duplicate the text, but if you need change, okay, the font size for this text, okay, for example, okay, I'll reload. Okay, you need to change the font size, okay, to edit the border, okay, the radius text. You need to adjust this, okay, for example, 8. And you can see that you need to change the font size, okay. This depends on the font, the number of words, okay, the length of the text. Okay, you can change the circle text, okay, you can go to the CSS, you can go to the layout, and you can change the width and the height, for example, 220, okay, save. And now you can see that this change, okay, the width and the height, okay, the size of the circle, and you need go to the text, okay, and you need go to in this case font size, okay, text, click here on the class, you can change this, for example, save. And now you can see that you can change the width and the height, the size, the font, okay. If you need add more text, okay, you need change the font size. In this case, to the image, for example, this in this version, you can change this, okay. Width and height, for example, and you can change the image, okay, click here and you can change the image. In this case I will change this, okay. You can change the circle, and in the CSS you can change the border, but I will save, reload, okay. And now you can see this, and you can change this border solid, for example 1.5, save, and you can see that this change, in this case to M. Now you can edit this way and change the size for the circle. You can change the text, okay, typography, you can change this, okay, save. Okay, this is the way to edit this template. In this case, this is the circle 1, the border dark, okay, click on the class. Okay, you can change this. In this case, this is the border, okay, the border dark, and go to the CSS and change the background, change the border width. In this case, this is the for dark version. Okay, this is the circle text, and you can see this is a modifier. Okay, fancy brick circle white. You can click on the class, go to the CSS, and change the color of the text on a dark version. And this is other version. Go to the element. Okay, in this case this is the image layout. Okay, you can see that this change. This is the border. Okay, this is the class, this is the layout, and you can change the hover. Okay, this is the hover on click. Okay, this is one version to hover on click, and you can click on the class. Okay, this is the main class, click here, hover, go to the CSS, and on hover you can see that before, after, change the width and the height. You can change this value if you need change the size of the circle, and you need change this on hover. Okay, this is the size on hover. Okay, this is the transition. Okay, in this case click on the circle wrapper link. Okay, click, you can see this is the root on hover. Okay, you can change this value to hover. Okay, this is the way to edit this template. I hope you liked, and see you in the next video. Bye.